Hello, Rakesh ji. How are you?
Very well, Mr.
Welcome.
Singh. How are you?
Welcome, please.
Thank you so much.
Please.
You have a lovely house, ji.
Thank you.
At the outset, आपको बता दें कि it's at a corner of northeast, and the good part is that you have a lawn in front, and there's another one. There are two lawns in front of the house, which is very rare. And to top it all, you also have a water feature at the entrance in the northeast. Right. So that makes the energy is very, very dynamic and excellent potential to make wealth. Very nice. देखिए अंदर जी.
हाँ जी, please. This is the living
that's
room.
Lovely. Very nice. Singh Saab, this falls in your northwest of the house. Very good area. Very vibrant place. I see that there is बाहर आपकी जितनी energies है ना, because of the greenery around, there is not much of it in this room. So all I can suggest is add a few natural plants.
Okay, put some plants.
Put some palms, etc. inside in any corner.
Okay.
So that you bring in the energies which are sort of left outside. And that's your dining table. Table की direction तो ठीक है जी, everything is fine, but I'm seeing it has a black top. ये बहुत favorable नहीं है सिंह साहब. So I would suggest कि एक तो इसके ऊपर you must have a white sheet,
Okay.
हाँ जी. Table cloth इस पे बिछा के रखिए, white or any other color that you like, but not black. And secondly, this bowl which is here, ये आपने खाली रखा हुआ है. इसमें should always be filled with seasonal fruits. Fresh fruits is the best to keep on the dining table when it is not used.
This is the kitchen.
Very nice, Singh Saab. You have the hob which is in the east. This is very good. The colors are pretty nice. You have a lot of fiery colors here with fruits and all these decorations which are good. Okay, one thing I can suggest कि आपके यहाँ पे इस corner में there is too much of this fruits hanging. ये इसको I would suggest आप सामने इस window पे कहीं देखिए where you can hang it.
This side.
Exactly, yeah. This is it. यहाँ पे और even with the latch, जहाँ पे convenient हो इसको इस side पे आप रखिए.
Okay.
So kitchen is good, very neat and clean, very nice kitchen. And this leads to a lobby.
हाँ जी. This is leading towards the lobby.
ये कितना कमरा सिंह साहब?
This is my mother's room.
This is your mother's room.
And she
Doesn't keep
very well.
That's the feeling of this room. It has little low energies. So anyone in this room would obviously be surrounded by ये जो low energies हैं, तो सेहत पे ज़रूर फ़र्क पड़ेगा. That's one thing. First thing I can suggest is कि ये जरा पर्दे आप खोल के रखिए, because ये आपका ईस्ट है, यहाँ की आपने लाइट ब्लॉक करी हुई है. Secondly, जो इनका bed head है, the head is towards north, which again is not a good direction to sleep in. So I would suggest कि आप bed को उस side ले जाइए, shift it towards the east rather than keeping it towards the north, because health would always remain an issue. One. Secondly, इस कमरे में जब आप पोछा लगाते हैं तो उसमें थोड़ा नमक ज़रूर डाला करिए.
अच्छा.
Because नमक के पोछे से a lot of negativity is absorbed, which a sick person is all the time radiating from the body. सिंह साहब, आपका कमरा किधर है जी?
On the other side जी.
एक तो I'm seeing कि आपकी entry is through a beam.
अच्छा जी.
You have this arch, which is I presume there's a beam above this.
हाँ जी.
काफी narrow दरवाजा आपका ये सिंह साहब.
This door.
हाँ जी. There are 2-3 things here, when you enter. A, you come from below an arch.
Okay.
Then you have a small breakfast table which is right outside your door. And see, I'm seeing the width of the door is, barely someone like me can walk in. So, wider doors are always preferred. But I see there कमरे में तो और भी दरवाजे हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो ये डोर मेरे ख्याल आपकी गैलरी में खुलता होगा.
हाँ जी. That is in the gallery.
So I can suggest you start using that door, because that directionally is also better than this. It's wider, and that would have it would be opening to a open passage. यहाँ थोड़ी congestion लगती है, वहाँ सामने आपकी गैलरी में ऐसी congestion नहीं होगी. Otherwise the room is nice. Your direction of the bed head is fine. The dressing table is okay. The color seems to be fine. कोई कमरा आपका ठीक है, कमरे में तो आई कांट से देयर आर एनी फॉल्ट, बट एज फार एज द एंट्रेंस इज कंसर्न डेफिनेटली आई वुड सजेस्ट कि इसको आप बंद करके एंड यू यूज दैट, definitely will be better. There will be more openings, there will be more opportunities coming your way
ठीक है.
when you start using that door. तो सिंह साहब आपका घर देखा है, it's very nice, very vibrant I must say.
Thank you जी.
But once you have made these changes, then do give us a call. We look forward to your feedback as to how you feel after this.
Very nice. Thank you for coming.
My pleasure जी.
Thank you.
Okay सिंह साहब, thank you.